video is to go through a little bit about the landing page of Twinkl and to signpost to you some of the really important things that you wouldn't want to miss. So let's get started. So as you can see, when you first land on the Twinkl page, this is the view that you get. Now, the aim of this video is really just to talk to you a little bit about the main things that you need to know about. So the first thing is obviously the Home Education tab. And if you click that, this is the landing page for everything Home Ed. So it has all of the popular activities that we have at the top really clearly linked. For example, projects and lap books, which we know are really popular amongst our members. It also gives you some Home Ed specific inspiration and things like creative activities and days out. And then on this side, you have obviously your more traditional subjects as well. And if you click here, it takes you through to lots and lots of different worksheets. And this is a great point to start your search. Also down the side, the things that we think you'll particularly like, so Twinkl Go, Twinkl Planet, Newsroom and beyond for those secondary school resources. Now, go and have an explore of all of these. These will be the topics of future videos with the Home Ed Academy, so we're not going to go into those too much. And also don't forget, these are our links on the social medias. So if you're looking for those links for our YouTube channel or our Facebook group, then they are here. Down a little bit further, you can see some really helpful resources. The first thing that I know lots of members like are our passports. So these are a really great starting point for a study. You've got the topics down here. You can add your notes and tick off as you go. There's also the curriculum overview. So if you follow a more structured style and you want to know what the national curriculum is for each of your year groups, there's curriculum overviews. And again, these are going to be a subject of a future video. And just finally, this one, which is really helpful as well, is a beginner's guide to home educating in the UK. So if you're just starting out, this has everything you know, from deregistering through to the law, through to getting started. It's a free resource, so do download it and check out this as a really useful beginner's guide. So go and have an explore of the Twinkl website. Do go check out some different things. Don't worry too much if you get in a little bit of a pickle over all of the different products that we have and feel overwhelmed. That's totally normal, and this is the aim of the Home Ed Academy. So keep watching, and future videos obviously will hold your hand through all of these different products. There's just two big things that I really want to finish off by showing you. So the first thing is, if you see something that you really like as you're searching away late one evening and think, I might like to come back to that, you can, if you hover over the resource, click save. And then this has been saved to your account. Now, you could, if you're really super organized, and I never am, you could think, well, actually, I'm going to do that on the first week of November. I'm going to do some calligraphy. You can actually set yourself a little reminder and it will pop up and remind you that you have this resource saved. And then just to show you where you go to find those resources again, you go up to your name, you click on the little arrow and you're looking for My Resources, and then here is your saved resources. You may also find you do quite often what I do, and that is I download something and then later on I can't find it on my computer. So you always have this really useful button that says My Downloads, and then it shows you all of the things that you have downloaded. And as you can see, the weekend we did lots of colouring. That's a little bit of an insight into what Home Ed looks like for us sometimes. Something else I'm just going to quickly show you is our blog. So if you go down to the bottom of the web page, you'll see the word blog. If you click on it, this is a really great thing to start reading each week. Gives you lots of ideas and starting points. These are all of our products. Of course, you're looking for home education, and this gives you all of the blogs that our team have written. So just from looking at this, how to use knowledge organisers, benefits of baking, ideas for celebrating not back to school week. So as you can see, this is a really great port of call for you guys to just go and check out, and it might give you some future ideas for your planning. So hopefully that's given you a quick idea of how to navigate the homepage. Please go and have fun, go and explore, and just as a reminder, don't get overwhelmed, because future videos we're going to be holding your hand and helping you through all that you need to know about Twinkl and the Twinkl Home Ed Academy. I'll see you next time.